friend of Marky.
Hi, I'm Charmaine. How can I help you?
I'm planning to put up a business. IT services, what are the requirements needed? Also, how much is the service fee?
You'll need to decide what kind of business structure you want to put up. Pwedeng single proprietorship, one-person corporation, or regular corporation. If you want a single proprietorship, you'll only need to register your business name with the DTI. Then apply for a business permit and register with BIR. Same process with the corporation except that you'll have to register first with SEC instead of DTI. After which, you'll need a reliable accountant to handle your BIR reports and other compliance requirements. Pag sole proprietorship, ikaw ang may-ari ng negosyo at tali lahat ng personal assets mo sa business expenses and liabilities. Wala kang protective layer. Pag one-person corporation or OPC naman, isa ka lang din sa shareholder at owner pero iba ang personality ng OPC kaysa sa iyo. Meaning, kung ano man ang liabilities ng OPC, hanggang doon lamang sa kapital nito at hindi kailangan managot ang personal assets mo. Lastly, sa regular corporation naman, same din sa OPC pero hindi ka na nag-iisa. May mga kasama kang ibang shareholders at yung liabilities mo ay limited lang sa iyong shareholding.
Wala akong kilalang accountant eh. Do you know anyone? Can you recommend someone?
Tamang-tama, I know a trustworthy accountant. He's part of my power team in BNI called Kaizen. His name is Art Sabino. Wait, I think andito si Sir Art today. Let me check on him. Rolly, this is Art Sabino. Sir Art, meet Rolly. He wants to put up his own IT service company and needs an accountant once registered with BIR.
Hi Rolly, nice to meet you. So upon registration in the BIR, you need to comply with the reportorial requirements like the filing of statutory compliance, the withholding taxes on compensation and expanded, the SSS, the Pag-ibig, and the PhilHealth. Also, the quarterly VAT and ITR, and the annual ITR. Attached herewith is the audited financial statement. I can help you on these reportorial requirements and other requirements that are needed in the future.
Thank you, Sir Art. Rolly, you'll need employees to be able to register with these government agencies. I'll refer you to Kay, an HR specialist who can help you find the right employees for your new company. Let's call Kay now. Hi, Kay. Meet Rolly. He's putting up his own IT service company and needs the right people to support him.
Thank you, Attorney Charm. Hello, Rolly. I'm Christine. I'm an HR practitioner. We can help you with your mandatory government registration requirements until enrollment of your employees in SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig.
Kaya lang sa tingin ko, kailangan namin ng tao na tutulong sa amin na mag-asikaso ng mga ito.
Actually, pwede din kami mag-recruit para sa company nyo, from posting, sourcing, up to interviewing. Then, kapag okay na mga employees nyo, tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Pwede tayong magbigay ng incentive programs para sa mga employees. Wait lang ha, tawagan ko lang siya if available siya today to join us dito sa Zoom. Hello C! Please meet Rolly, an aspiring business owner who is looking for help to put up his dream business.
Hello Rolly! Nice to meet you! I'm Christine, an employee benefits specialist.
Si, nabanggit ko kay Rolly kanina yung about incentives ng employees kapag nasiset up na natin yung business niya at kapag nakahire na tayo ng tao.
Yes, since nagsisimula pa lang kami, baka you can share some ideas like competitive benefits for our employees.
Ayan, sige Rolly! What I can recommend is we can start with group accident insurance. For as low as 30 pesos per year, we can cover your employee with 20,000 accident coverage. Minimum 5 employees including you as the owner. And then, as your business grows, we can increase the coverage like add life insurance, critical illness, or HMO or health card. This will give you, the business owner, a peace of mind. So, in case something happens to your employees, may maibibigay from the plan. Kasi 'di ba hindi natin maiiwasan na if mangyari yon, sa atin lalapit ang family nila to ask for financial help?
Magandang idea yan. 30 pesos lang per year. So, kung 5 kami, 150 pesos per year. Murang-mura. Pwede pa kaming magtaas ng coverage. So, attorney, let's do this. I think better ang regular corporation. Total naman, pwede kong makasama si Marky so 2 na kami. Pwede ba yung 2 lang kaming shareholders?
Of course! Regular corporation na yan. We will proceed to prepare your SEC requirements and call you as soon as they are ready for signature.
Okay, thank you so much, Team Kaizen.